Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Logic. Today we are going to discuss about scope of cost account. Now we'll see what is the scope of cost accounting. In that first one is cost ascertainment and cost control, and then proper matching of cost with revenue, and last one is aids to management and decision making. So here we are going to move to next slide. So cost ascertainment. So in the scope, the first point we have learned is that cost ascertainment. So now we'll see what is there in it. First of all, the main function of cost accounting is to ascertain the cost of a product or services rendered. Also, the main function of cost accounting is to find out the cost of a product, or if it is a service, its main objective is to find out the cost incurred for service rendered or cost of a product which is manufactured by the company. Next, it includes collection of data relating to cost accounting. After collection, there is an analysis of expenses is required, and then measurement of production at different manufacturing stages. So first one is to ascertain the cost of a product which is manufactured or service rendered. And second thing is to collect the data relating to cost accounting. After collecting, analysis of the expenditure is required, and then measurement of production is different at manufacturing stages. And then next, the collection analysis is the measurement require different methods of cost accounting. So for the purpose of cost analysis and analysis of expenditure and measurement of production, there are different methods of costing. There are historical cost, standard cost, process cost, and operation cost. And next one we are going to see can be done in two ways, namely post costing and continuous costing. So post costing, in this type of treatment, the costing information is going to be ascertained based on the information which is recorded in financial books. That means based on the data of finance recorded in the financial books, the post costing is being done. That means the cost of a product is going to be ascertained based on the data which is recorded in the financial books. This is about post costing. Next, continuous costing. The name itself is saying it is continuous in nature. That means whenever the activity is completed, only then the entire cost of a particular activity is going to be available. That means immediately after completion of the activity, the cost is going to be available at the moment itself. And next, control of cost. That means how are we going to control the cost to sustain in the market. So the goal of every business is to sustain in the market. Then to sustain, what is essential? It is essential to examine the cost of each item or service which is rendered. This requires planning and use of standard for each item of cost, for locating deviations, and if any, taking remedial measures. Control of cost requires some planning and use of standard for each item of cost. So if there are any defects or errors, then remedial measures to be taken in order to sustain the business in the market. Next, a proper matching of cost with revenue. So what is this? In cost accounting, the manager prepares monthly or quarterly statements to reflect cost and income data identified with the sale of that period. So in cost accounting, the accountant or clerk may prepare monthly statements or quarterly statements. It is going to reflect the cost incurred for manufacturing the products and income data identified with sales. So the statements contains uh, cost incurred for manufacturing and sale data. With the help of sale data, we are able to know what is the income generated with the products. Next, aids to management decision making. What are the things, what are the aids we are going to take in? That means the management is going to take in decision making. It is a process of choosing two or more alternatives based on the resultant outcome become of the various alternatives. See, based on the outcomes, the management is going to take various alternatives which will help further progress in the business. Next, here a cost benefit analysis also needed to be done. All this can be achieved through good cost accounting system. So hope you all understood the concept of cost accounting and scope of cost accounting. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.